Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to track meeting participations with free AI tools. So let's get started with the video. So in this video, we are going to use the free tool that is AI tool that is TLDV. So I open any of the browser and in the browser you need to enter tldv.io. This is the official website of this. Here it will lend you to this page. What you need to do is click on tldv free forever. So basically this is the free tool that is going to track meeting. It is going to auto record and share the notes whatever happened in the meeting, how much and what was said in the online meetings, with who was the participant and who said what is going to be recorded in this AI tool. So here you can click on this drop down menu. Once you have signed up, this page will come. It will ask you to sync calendar. Here you can choose all meeting in my calendar. I'll personally tell you to select this one. The next one is and share notes with all the participants or only with you. If you only want the notes, you can choose it here. Post that, you need to click on continue. It will take you to this page. It will ask tell about yourself. I mostly speak English in the meetings. You can choose any of the language in which the meeting is going to be happened. The next one is I work in your department. You can choose which department you are in: sales, marketing, product, customer success, and then else you can choose other. It's totally on you. The next thing, in a team of your team size, how many people will be there in the meet maximum. It should not be exact, but you can do the allotment. For example, I'm choosing 2 to 5. I found TTLV through. You can choose wherever you found it on, and then click on continue. It will take you to this page. So for right now you are gonna get it for which app. It is for desktop app or TLD for Chrome. You can also skip and install it later if you want. I'll just click on skip on enter it later. Once you have signed in, it will take you to this page. Click confirm. Also guys, in order to integrate it to our Meet or Google Teams or Meet, so what we need to do, we need to click on this get TLVDV for free. Click on this, and then if you want it for desktop app, you can get it for free. I'm right now choosing get it free. You need to add an extension to the browser. Click on add to Chrome. So once you will click on add extension, so this extension is basically needed.
Hi, I'm Thali. This is a meeting sim.
All right, so it's giving you how it's gonna work. You can cancel it again. Now, once you have done all the setup and added it to extension, you can join any of the meeting. For example, there is a meeting that I'm gonna join now, Meet meeting. So once you have joined the particular meeting, here you are going to see a icon that is of TLDV. Since we have integrated it on our browser, you just need to click on the start recording button. So once you have clicked on the start recording button, it will take few seconds to host. It will ask the host to let the bot enter the meeting room. So it will ask for a permission. You need to let them enter. So as you can see, the bot request has come. You need to click on this admit icon. Once you have clicked on the admit icon, it will again take few seconds to load. So as you can see, the meeting has been started here. So we can have a conversation. You can have a meeting over here and see whatever is done. The recording has already been started. If you want to stop and save the recording, you can click on this icon. For example, I'm going to click on it now. A pop-up will come. Post that, you need to click on stop and save. This may take few seconds to save the recording, and you can click on this open recording. It will take you to another page where you can see the transcript as well. You can play the recording as well, and which participants has said what, you can check it here. So basically this is how you can track meeting participation with free AI tool. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.